Oh, you're good.
Okay, we have a 2003 TrailBlazer here with what appears to be an upper engine knock. The mystery here is, and we kind of stumbled on this, is that when I put my finger on this PVC tube that enters the valve cover, within about 30 seconds you'll hear that the knock just disappears. So I'll be quiet and we'll hear it go away. And it is gone. Now I'll remove my finger and you'll hear a hiss of vacuum going in, and the knock will come back immediately. The engine doesn't knock at higher RPMs with everything put back on the engine. You don't hear any rod knocking, which would be loud unless this is the start of it. But yeah, that's about it. We're just looking for a quick fix on this without spending a lot of money at the dealer. Thanks.